What going on, YouTube? It's your boy POV Rec, man. You feel me? I'm back in the scat today. So I ain't even gonna do too much talking. Y'all already know what it is. This ain't my first video doing this shit. So now let me move my head out of the way for y'all. This ain't my first time doing a video in the scat. So shit, we gonna go and hop into it, man. Let's get it. Y'all already know what time it is, gang. Y'all know what time it is, gang. We ain't finna do nothing too crazy though. Hold on, there's something on my camera. Yeah, y'all already know what time it is, gang. We ain't gonna do too much goddamn playing. We gonna go and throw this bitch in sport. How y'all folk been doing, man? How y'all folk been doing, man? We're gonna take the long way today. How y'all folk been doing, man? Not gonna lie. I just dropped the ASMR video. I really just tried something different. Like I wanted to try something different. Like I wanted to tap into another, you know, side of creativity. So we got to go sunroof. I ain't got that motherfucker for nothing. But I just wanted to tap into another side of creativity, man. So I went with the ASMR. I think I did pretty good, but it's a few things I know I could have did better, but shit, it was my first time. So I know what that mean though. Oh my goodness. Ah, look at 12. See, that's why I can't do shit. Look at that bitch ass. I hate them motherfuckers. Why young nigga can't get no content in. But you know what? Fuck em, nigga. We ball. Nigga, this a wide body scat. And that bitch don't play. You hear? You hear me? We ain't doing them pulls today, man. You feel me? The topic of the day is pulls. Fuck it. Pulls, man. We going pulls today. We are going pulls, man. But if y'all ain't subscribed to the channel yet, man, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, man. Like up the video, comment on the video, do all that type of good stuff on the video, gang. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I said I was gonna hit 100 subs before the end of the year. I'm already at like 92. I done gained like 30, 40 subs in like the span of a week. So like, channel doing good, bro. You feel me? And I appreciate the ones who fucking with your boy, who supporting your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? It costs nothing to support. You feel me? I ain't asking nobody for no money. I ain't asking nobody to donate nothing. All I ask is for you to tap a button, gang. And to the ones that like y'all can't do that, but y'all still watching the content. Like, come on, bro. It must be smoking song, gang. It must be smoke. It must be beef or shopping. You did. Like, I don't get it. I do not get it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I got braids right now, bro. Somebody just told me I look like Trey Songz. So get what I said. This right here's a penny dropper. Whoa. What did I say? The fuck? Y'all heard that shit? I don't even know where I'm going, to be honest. Really just got down. Just got the camera on, man, cranking it. Shit. Just cranking it, gang. Just cranking it. Just fucking cranking it, man. Dig. I'm really going the wrong way, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why I came this way. I don't know why the fuck I came this way, really. I ain't gonna lie though, man, I'm excited, bro, because people starting to recognize that I do content and shit. Like, people be asking me about my content. Mile deep as fuck. I'm gonna be selling ass and titties on that bit. If they is, I need to turn around. Oh my fuck. All or nothing. I think is it too much light? Oh damn no. I always be tripping about how my video look on the GoPro, then it come out fire and I don't have shit to say. I ain't gonna lie, but my last video though, I recorded in 4K and that shit really did blow me. The quality was so trash, like I just didn't understand how I recorded in 4K. And my video was uploaded like I recorded in fucking 1K or some shit. Like, nigga, 1080p, nigga. Goddamn 728D. I don't know why I came in the club with you, girl. Don't know why I came in with these diamonds on my chain. Surrounded by that bitches, I can't get them out my face. Because a nigga handsome and wealthy. Handsome. Is it cause a nigga cook like a professor? I don't know how I feel. Can you tell me? Y'all nigga ain't never seen nobody do the ad-lib too. Thirsty ass nigga. I don't know how I feel. Can you tell me? Is it cause a nigga handsome and wealthy? Boy, I'ma went, boy, that shit turned green. Damn, that shit just fucked me up. I low-key want a smoothie. Might slide downtown, gang. Christmas is 2 days away, gang. What y'all get for Christmas, man? I don't know how I feel, can you tell me? Oh my God. I love driving that car. I ain't gonna lie, I'm supposed to be doing a POV in a cat. Being a cat, shawty. Cause I don't know how I feel till you tell me. I don't know how you feel, can you tell me? I really go that way. Cause I don't know how you feel till you tell me. Why that song stuck in my head right now? I don't know how you feel, can you tell me? Is it cause a nigga stanky and musty? Oh, I gotta lie. I was sitting there brainstorming though, bro, like about the stuff I want to do for my channel. And like, instead of just doing POVs and just cars, bro, I think I'm gonna make it like an all-around POV channel. Like, I'm gonna do like POV everything, nigga. I'm gonna do POV driving. Nigga, POV, goddamn, just walking around town and cities and shit. Like, I'm doing POV everything, nigga. POV dirt bikes, ATVs, goddamn, bicycle, POV, exercise, running. Nigga, POV everything. Nigga, POV Rec, nigga. Fuck they talking about? My boy got the bit, but that's a goddamn demon, ain't it? Damn, shorty. POV everything, man. POV Rec. POV on everything, nigga. This shit finna, I'm telling you, I'm finna go all out the POV shit, bro. POV where that. I don't know if I can do that ASMR shit again, though. I tried. Shit. Ain't nothing wrong with trying, gang. If the shit don't work, then fuck it. Nigga, we back to the drawing board. Can't just sit around and dwell on it. Like, if the shit don't work, if it don't work, then it just wasn't meant for it. It wasn't meant to happen, gang. Like, you can't just be sitting stuck because, like, something you want to do don't work out. You just got to keep pushing, bro. All it take it at one time. Hey, never know until you try to. That could have been the video I gained 1 million followers off of, 1 million subscribers. But if I ain't do it, get what? It wouldn't happen. So shit. I'm gonna kind of go back down this way. Yeah. Damn! The fuck? If it wasn't no camera right there, I would have ran that bit. I think I'm gonna just park over there. Hope I don't hit the goddamn curb. I should be in there. I don't know, let's get out and check. Oh yeah. I got plenty of room. Ugh. Let's roll, buddy. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. Look at that. Shout out gang now, man. My car dirty, man. Fuck. Be alright, shit, fuck it. We here. We here, twin. Damn, finna get hit by a car. They turn in. Folks looking at me crazy. I don't give a damn. How you doing? I get a 20 ounce vegan mango kale blueberries instead of banana.
In what size?
20 ounce.
20 ounce?
Yeah.
Will that be all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get a name for the order?
T.
2733. Right there for you. You need that receipt?
No, ma'am. Thank you. All right, thank you. I'm finna jaywalk. I just got a vegan mango kale smoothie. Blueberries instead of banana. Put you down. Y'all see it, man. You feel me? Working, not twerking, shawty. You did. Mm-hmm. 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 Working, not twerking, so I did. I looked in the mirror and saw your ass. Probably would hate me too. Safety first. Working, not twerking, shawty. Yeah, dead. Damn, GoPro tight as hell on my head, twin. Oh my God. Oh my God. This shit give me a rush, gang. You know what I'm saying? We working out twerking, shawty. What pop? We working out twerking, shawty.
Man, please.
I'm working out twerking, shawty. You in the video right now.
Oh, I'm interrupting. You
Hold on.
Want to text me back earlier?
Bro, I wasn't getting none of your messages, like.
Ain't no way.
And I called you and everything.
When did you call me?
See what I'm saying?
I'm asking for real.
So you ain't get my call.
I said, when did you call me?
It was about one something.
Oh. I had just turned my phone back on at 1.
Hold on. Check this out.
Lord.
Stop playing with me, gang. And we down here. Come here. Hold on. Come here. Give me one more. Oh my fucking God, nigga. This shit crazy. A pull a day, keep the bullshit away. A pull a day, keep the bullshit away. And get what? We're gonna wrap the video up just like that, twin. I see y'all folk, man. Weezy.